This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Filipino pancakes. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients, like flour, eggs, and milk, to create a simple yet delicious batter. Having your cooking tools ready beforehand ensures a smooth and enjoyable process. This step-by-step guide will help you prepare a wonderful breakfast treat for your family and friends. Now, let's mix the batter. First, combine all your dry ingredients such as flour, sugar, and baking powder in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, whisk together the wet ingredients like eggs, milk, and oil until they are well blended. Finally, gently fold the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Be careful not to overmix. A few lumps are perfectly fine for fluffy pancakes. It's time to cook. Heat a lightly oiled pan or griddle over medium heat. Once hot, pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on the first side, or until you see bubbles forming and the edges look set. Then, flip them over and cook for another 2 minutes until both sides are golden brown and cooked through. Enjoy the aroma. Your delicious Filipino pancakes are ready. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings. Fresh fruits like mango or banana, a drizzle of maple syrup, or even a sprinkle of powdered sugar are all fantastic choices. Don't forget to check the description for a link to these amazing leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your meal prep. Enjoy your homemade breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.